Hello, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're making something sweet, cozy, and 100% plant-based, vegan churros. The ingredients are simple: water, a little sugar, coconut oil, flour, and vanilla. For the finish, cinnamon and sugar. And of course, some dark vegan chocolate for dipping. First, we bring water, coconut oil, sugar, and a pinch of salt to a gentle boil. Now we add the flour and stir quickly until the dough comes together, soft and smooth. A touch of vanilla, and the aroma is already magical. Next, we let the dough cool slightly and place it into a piping bag with a star nozzle. Slowly, we pipe long churro shapes, ready to bake or fry. If you prefer healthy baked churros, just place them on a parchment-lined tray and into the oven they go. Or, for the classic taste, fry them in warm oil until golden and crispy. Now, while still warm, we roll each churro in cinnamon sugar. The sparkle makes them look irresistible. Finally, we melt rich, dark chocolate with a little plant milk, creating the perfect silky dip. And there it is, golden, crisp, sweet, and comforting. Vegan churros, ready to share, ready to enjoy.